Assalamu alaikum, hope all are doing good. So today's our topic is going to be today's our topic is going to be space exploration. So what is space exploration? So let's discuss about space exploration. So taking in mind space explorations, we get the acknowledgements how the things are dealing with them, how we get the benefits from them by taking all of these things. Space exploration is the use of astronomy and space explorations to space outer space, while the exploration of space is currently carried out mainly by astronomers with telescopes. Its physical exploration is conducted both by uncrewed robotic space probes and human space life as well as. So there are numerous types of space technology used to explore the solar system. They are used to explore planets, moons, asteroids, and comets within the solar system. These includes flybys, orbiters, landers, and rovers, as well as by the gets benefit. Moreover, improving healthcare benefits of space exploration is them protecting our planet and our environment, creating scientific and technical jobs as well as in them, improving our day-to-day lives, enhancing safety on Earth, making scientific discoveries on them. Making a scientific discoveries, making youth interest in science, cooperating with countries around the world, as well as all of these things in them. Space exploration is investigations by means of crewed and uncrewed spacecraft of the reaches of the universe beyond Earth atmosphere, as well as by which we get the benefits, how they are dealing with them, how they are getting the acknowledgements of them, as well as in them. Moreover, space exploration is the use of astronomy and space technology to explore outer space, while the exploration of space is currently carried out mainly by them. Um, The exploration of space is currently carried out mainly by astronomers with telescope. Its physical exploration is conducted both by uncrewed robotic space probes and human space flight. Space exploration, like its classical from astronomy, is one of the main sources of space science as well as in them. While the observation of objects in space known as astronomy predates reliable recorded history, it was the development of large and relatively efficient rockets during the mid 20th century that allowed physical space exploration to become a reality. The early era of space exploration was driven by a space between the Soviet Union and the United States. A driving force of the United phase of exploration was during the Cold War. After the ability to create nuclear weapons, the narrative of defense offense left, and the power to control the air became the focus as well as. So both of the Soviet and the US were fighting to improve their superiority in technology through exploring the unknown space. In fact, the reasons NASA was made was due to the response of Sputnik, the launch of the first human-made object to orbit Earth, the Soviet Unique on 4th October 1957, and the first moon landing by the American Apollo 11 as well as in them. So the Soviet space program achieves many of first milestones, including the first living being in orbit in 1957, the first human space flight as well as in them, the first spacewalk on 19 March 1965, the first automatic landing on another celestial body, and launch of the first space stations in 1971. After the first 20 years of exploration, focus shifted from one-off flights to renew hardware such as the Space Shuttle program, and from the competitions to the cooperation us with as well as in the international station. So with the substantial completions of the IS flowing in March 2011, plans for space exploration by the US remain in flux. Constellation, our Bush administration program for our return to the moon by 2020 was pledged inadequately funded and the realistic by the an expert review panel. So the Obama administration proposed a revision of constellations in 2010 to focus on the development of the capability for crewed missions.